Now, based on the Pepenazi,
if
you lie, you will die. I'm not saying small juice calls for. Yeah. You don't do one night stand before.
I'll tell you something. Come.
Okay, you want.
I'll tell you something.
Yeah, oh!
You get out of me?
But I'm man now. Now Joko. You don't tell me anything.
I did explain to him.
What is it beside you the picture?
Which picture?
Don't worry.
You don't see it.
Anyway, Pepenazi, welcome, man. The last time we come here, we talk another thing entirely. And now they do the whole illegal things and things. How the whole work be?
First of all, you must tell yourself that your legal is making illegal or your legal is making legal. Which one you pray for?
So now, before I will answer that question.
Which one you pray for?
I pray for good things to happen for my life. The right way.
If your legal is making illegal, which one you want?
If my legal is making illegal. More than they confuse us, all these boys. Now they use lyrics, they spoil our
irony. You don't know what be irony.
Irony. I know irony and metaphor and phrase and
if your legal is making illegal, that's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
You go school I will carry you go school today.
I don't mind. You know, you have to continue to acquire knowledge somehow. But explain illegal for us.
Illegal. Let's be sincere, man. May I be very sincere here. Illegal are like as kids, from Yoruba parents. You know all these Yoruba parents.
Then they see your face now.
No, you know this
you
kind
don't cover all your face.
If you want to explain
are you illegal somebody?
I dey suspect am. If you cast me for you, if you talk with no be.
No. You know my guy now.
But
so illegal.
As kids.
Yes.
You know, say if you come from all these Yoruba parents, all these serious Yoruba parents, most of the time if they won't follow you talk, maybe you get one thing where they do it, say they suspect you. So they watch you, see, they look, say, like say speaking won't do one kind of thing, they'll go just tell you, say, Bobo mention joke illegal.
Okay.
You know, you understand Yoruba?
Okay, of course.
It's just like saying, see how this speaking they sit down illegal. See how this speaking they move illegal. So now like slang where we say as kids, now waiting most of us grow up with. So no be that feeling say illegal, that word illegal, saying that's something where they understand, inappropriate, you know.
Okay. So I don't understand that. Because I know say questions they plenty, say you illegal. And you say this country they dance to anything. You understand? Nobody say they talk about
see, you hear this thing where you say Ogbole illegal. Pepe illegal, Bado illegal. Nobody say they tell you say you be illegal.
Yes.
They don't say, have fun in that awkward way, in that you know,
basically,
that fun way.
have fun in that awkward way. You know, understand? Or that fun way, you know, the way we not to just, you know, if you not be the right, if you not be the normal way.
Normal way. Normal way.
I see they try.
Normal way, but person could observe them like say na wrong way, na so.
Irony. God bless you.
Easy bit. Explain yourself with example.
Irony.
No, explain yourself with an oxymoron.
Okay.
Original copy.
Pepenazi. Oxymoron.
Original copy.
Oxymoron. What's it be oxymoron?
Now, like word we they similar now. We mean something similar.
You know why they say make you explain all this thing? So that they will not say you sabi book.
Now they give you. Now they tell you so.
Because some people look say all these are artists. Now just escape route. Now be music. So you they clear them now. Say you sabi based on say you are studious. No clap for me now. Speak something now. Yeah, thank you. I love all of you. I love you. So, Pepenazi, I'm going to stop the plenty play. So how far? This is illegal because they touch everywhere now. And you see enough brain, enough, you work out a lot with this particular track on ground now. So you fully deal with YBNL now?
No.
Okay, but
actually,
you do stuff with them.
YBNL are like family.
Okay.
And they signed to Eclectic Records.
Okay.
But YBNL are like affiliation. Affiliation record label to Eclectic.
Okay.
So we do virtually everything together. Everything we do now, most of the time we did this studio together.
Okay.
Fierce Video Studio, Young John Video Studio, Bado Video, Cash, everybody go just day, we go brainstorm. And basically that's how we work. Okay. So from now, it isn't what they expect from Pepenazi. So you go on tours now and be... First of all, when Illegal drop, to me, that song, that blessing, man. The first 2 days where you drop on Not Just Okay, I had, I think, 37,000 downloads.
Wow.
It was big.
Wow.
Me, if I shock, when I see him, I'll be like, so now so it be. But for me, it's just like you getting that dividend of hard work. So you don't work, you don't work.
Yes, you don't work.
Put in effort and, you don't pay now.
So how the feeling be? How the feeling be for you? Just busting at that stage now? Because before now, so as person, okay, fine. Everybody get their track record, so you don't do some music earlier. Before now, the other times we don't carry come on the show, when the track. Now you go enter stage now and everybody feeling legal. That feeling, how it be for you?
So as an artist, number one, self-confidence is now key. No matter the kind product or the kind, content where they put out, you must be able to defend the kind content where they put out to people.
I won't bring you
for me, you know that kind of way you say they climb stage and it's sure for you. You don't say nothing will happen.
Yes.
Now the feeling why they use enter stage now.
Because you know it's in the on ground. So they say legal spirit don't enter.
Because the acceptance done the day.
Yes.
Apart from the song itself, the artist itself, people they accept both things together.
True.
For me, don't build my self-confidence, and I feel I'm waiting at the game right now from the song.
So that was, at the end of the day, your hard work don't pay so far.
It's pain.
It's pain, and more it goes still pay.
By God's grace.
Because I still believe no be the only good song we go make be this other songs that will follow from. Of course, now we know. My brother,
we push.
I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you, my brother, and I believe that things will happen. Illegal.
Hey, easy.
You understand? So we get the video. You never to tell where you launched the video.
The video dropped yesterday.
Yesterday night dropped the video.
It was big too.
Correct.
It dropped on the internet. People helped me promote them and everything. Now because of the explanation of the video to the song.
Yes.
Now in make everybody come accept them.
Okay.
Because when people see them on the internet, people start to give me comments, and the comments were positive. So for me, I appreciate them.
All right. So Pepenazi, all the best I could always talk, and we believe say many things will still happen for your side. This will be the last time we go come this show, because next time we go come again, that bigger thing. Endorsement go down follow.
We'll launch. As the top, we'll launch.
Launching things, I don't know. You understand?
Up.
So Ogbolo illegal, easy bit illegal.
Easy.
All right, Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Now still the late night show, and I'll scoff your boss day here, and then we just get a Pepenazi, just finish the whole illegal moves and every. Ladies and gentlemen, I get another very beautiful lady. She did on the heavenly side, beautiful lady like this. She, cold one finish and small thing for all carry shako, put on that and make it just a warm up. Because of the AC to respect the only woman in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, want to help me welcome Aramide in the building. You are welcome on top of the show.
Thank you.
This one, you get this look like say you quiet, but at the same time you pass off as person you want to quiet. Wow, that's working for me. It's working for me. That thing just and they like chicks then when not too they show their self. You understand? But later they just can't turn up. Say, like, hey, so you are a devil in a sheep cloth. Sometimes they work like that. But anyway, no my matter we can't talk about. Aramide, how you did?
I did.
How the whole music thing?
He did fine.
It's
moving. No, I'm relaxing.
I can come close.
No, stay there.
Seriously. No, I think just near you, just to come and warm you up. You understand? Because on this show, we don't like me person the girl just take move. You understand? Illegal.
Okay.
So if they run interview like this.
Make my husband not catch you.
No, we're not doing more than
a brother.
Yes, a brother, and a fellow colleague. You understand me now? But anyway, we make I go back to my seat. Before I be all day, I just see stone. Pa! From where? You say man, they change up. But anyway, Aramide, how music be for you, Tete? Say you don't come the whole matter before now. How has it been? How music be so far?
So far, music has been good.
Pigeon.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, so far music has been good. I go continue the pigeon.
Okay, no, just the flow.
Yes,
You say sometimes when you're in front of TV, you can't cast for head.
The pigeon will just disappear.
But you go find out something.
Yes. So I have this new song, I Don't Care. So that's my new song, and then we're going to shoot the video very, very soon. Okay. And then before the song, I had Iwonikon, which we have the video of that one.
Yes, that one most people say really sabi.
Yes, and then there was Feeling This Feeling as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so that means so far, but how many years now will it talk? Say, as you just named, because like 3 songs now you don't mention so far. Feeling This Feeling last year, Iwonikon and I Don't Care this year. Okay, just to remind people though about Iwonikon, okay, but we'll see the video quickly. Okay. By the time we see the video, we'll come back, continue on top the newest song on ground for Aramide. Okay, so we'll quickly see the video. They come back now. Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.